Hello, welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. In this video, I'm going to redraw this very geometry using these specified dimensions, and I'm going to use a combination of commands from the draw panel and also from the modify panel. So let's start. First, I will draw a circle here of 11 radius. So I move to the circle command, click on this tiny arrow and choose center radius. Now I will choose this point as my center point of the first circle and enter 11. Now I'm going to draw a line of 40 length that is inclined at angle 45 degrees. You can see the angle there. So I click on the line command, click on the center of the circle, draw a line downward of 40, then click on the tab button to enter the angle 45. Okay, that is done. Now I'm going to mirror this line to the left because here I have two circles here, one here and one here. So I click on the mirror command, mirror this line, locate the center to the left, right click and exit. Okay, now I'm going to create two circles, one of 10 radius and another of 18 radius. So I click on the circle command. At this point, enter 10, and draw another circle again of radius 18. Enter. Okay, so since I have the same thing over here, I'm going to copy these very two circles and paste it on this other side. So I click on copy, copy these two from here, copy this, okay, that is done. Now I'm going to extend these two lines to touch this bigger circle. So on the trim command, click on extend and extend these two lines to touch that circle. Okay, that is done. Okay, I'm going to use the arc command to create these curves. So on the arc command, click on the tiny arrow below the icon and select start center end. Now I'm going to start from here. Here's the center and end it here and end here. Okay, that is done. Click on start center end again. Click on this as the start point. Here is the center and end it here. Okay. Now with the trim command, I'm going to remove the portions of the geometry I don't need. So I click on the trim command and right click on this arrow and choose trim. Now I'm going to trim off this portion of the geometry and as well this. I don't need these ones as well, they have to be removed. Okay, so I have two circles up here to create. First, I would like to create this, and this is 70 units up and 7 and 10 to the left. So first I'm going to draw a line of 10 from the center to the right, enter 10, then vertically I draw another line of 70, enter. Okay, here I'm going to create two circles here, one of 5 radius and another of 10. So I click on the circle command again, and draw here a circle of radius 5. Radius 5, enter. Then draw the second circle of 10 radius as well. So click on circle command, locate the center and enter 10. Okay, that has been done. Now I'm going to draw this second circle as well. So I want to draw a line of 20 to the left and 20 down. So I click again on the line command. From the center of this very circle, draw a line of 20 to the left and 20 down. 20 down. Okay, I have to create a circle. This is the center point for the circle now, and the radius is 5 as well. So I click on the circle command. With here at the center point, enter 5. Okay, that has been done. I'm going to draw another circle there at that very point with a radius of 10. Okay, so I don't need these two lines now. I have to erase them, this and this. Erase. Okay, now I'm going to draw two lines downwards. One from the quadrant point of this very circle, down, and another from the quadrant point of this very circle, down. So I click on the line command again, locate the quadrant point of this circle, and draw downwards. Draw another line from here downwards. No, that didn't go down well. Okay, escape. It's supposed to be a vertical line. Okay. Okay. Now, with the circle command again, I'm going to create these curves between those two circles. I click on the circle command. On the tiny arrow below the icon, you can see here tangent radius. So I'm going to click on this command to create this curve. Now I'm going to locate the tangent point on this circle, locate the tangent point on this other circle, then enter the radius, which is the radius there is as well 10. Okay, so that is done. Now with the trim tool, I'm going to remove the excess geometry there. So I click on the trim command and click to remove that. That is done. Okay. Now I'm also going to create these two curves here, and here the radius is 6. So I click on the circle command again, and here I'm going to locate the tangent point on this very line and the tangent point on the circle, then enter a radius of 6. So I'm going to do the same to the left. Click on the circle again, the downtown radius, locate the center, locate the turning point on the line and the turning point on the circle and enter 6. Okay, now with the trim command again, I'm going to remove the excess geometry. So I click on trim. Here I'm going to trim this off. That's gone. This is gone too. So I'm going to remove these ones too as well. This one goes. This goes off as well. And this. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Trim off this. Trim off this. Trim off this. This goes. Okay. So I'm going to also do some here. Trim off this. Trim off this. And trim off this. Okay, likewise this one goes. And this one goes. Okay. Now I'm going to draw another circle of 116 diameter. So I click on the circle command again on the tiny arrow. This time I'm going to choose center diameter. So I click on center diameter command, locate the center of this very circle, and draw a circle of diameter 116. So I enter 116. Enter. Okay. Now with the trim command again, I'm going to remove some of the geometry here. So click on trim and cut off this. Cut off this. And escape. Now you can see that the geometry is now complete. So I'm going to thicken it. So I'll have to go to the properties panel and choose the line I would want to use to thicken it. Click on this, then highlight the entire geometry and choose a thickness for it. Okay, this should be okay. And escape. So the geometry is complete. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more tutorials.